Hey, hello, and welcome. And I'm going to give you a quick blender tip and then a life tip as a bonus at the end, all right? So, you want to make stairs. Well, we add a cube. Okay, let's just delete this guy in case you don't know how to add a cube, but you should. Mesh, cube. Shift A, go to mesh, add, then cube. Okay? And then we go out of object mode into edit mode with it selected. All right. Up here, go to line mode. Select a line like this on the corner. All right. Right click and bevel edges. And then bevel out something like this. All right. You could even do this. Then go down to bevel. All right. And in segments, put how many stairs you want to have. So we'll say like 10. Okay. And then down in profile types, pick custom, go to presets, and pick steps. And there you go. Quick and easy, right? Hell yeah. And if you want more, just add more segments to your bevel. All right. And that's your blender tip. And as a bonus, here's a life tip. Okay. The next time your wife or your girlfriend asks you if that dress makes her look fat, you tell her yes. Hell yes, it does, honey. All right. She'll love that. She'll love you for saying that. She'll love your honesty. All right. And as soon as your words ram into her ear holes, she'll probably want to have intercourse with you instantly. And if you want to get really lucky with her, add more compliments, like, and not the pH kind of fat either, the F fat kind of fat. Well, there you go. You've got a blender tip and a life tip. Until next time, peace out.